everybody. Happy Memorial Day weekend, or I guess it'll be belated Memorial Day. Hope you had a great, restful weekend. And I hope you got to see some people who are important to you. I know it's kind of tough right now, but whether you had like a driveway party, I know my sister invited my parents and I over. We all sat really far away. We all had our own little coolers. And we had extension cords with fans because it was so hot. But we had like a little driveway party. And so hopefully you got to have your own little driveway party with someone who's important to you. And hopefully you also took time to just think of those who lost their lives for this country, fighting for our country. I know that this weekend gets kind of washed up with, you know, it's a boat day and it's a beach day and it's a day off work, but really it's for those people who sacrificed their lives for our fabulous country. So take a moment and appreciate that. So today we are going to do a 3-minute interval, and I'm going to go into the workout in a second. I just want to do the warm up and we're going to do some yoga stuff. So here we go. This is kind of from Bikram. So you're going to put your hands underneath your chin and you're going to breathe in for a 5 count or a 6 count. We're going to hold for a 5 or 6 count, and then we're going to release for a 5 or 6 count. So the whole goal is to get your elbows up as high as possible, but your shoulders down, right? So don't be all like that, okay? So you're gonna breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, and then breathe out your mouth for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the goal is to have your elbows touching and your neck back. Some of you are much more flexible than me, but whatever. And then just do it a couple more times. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath, and then breathe out your mouth. Good. Shake it out. Okay. Now you're going to bring it up. Now your elbows are down, and then you're going to breathe in. Butt is down, back is straight, and then you're just going to kind of try to go to your right side. And you're going to bring your bottom shoulder forward and try to get both hips in line like you're in a thing of glass, like 2 panes of glass. And you're breathing, and you're really trying to touch the ceiling, so really growing tall, but then really trying to reach to get that side body stretch. And then take it to the center, and then reach up, and then go over to the other side. Again, try to square those shoulders. So normally I have to bring my bottom shoulder forward, and I normally have to get my hips a little bit better in line. And I just want to be in 2 panes of glass, and I want to be reaching up and over. And shake it out. Okay, you're going to do that about 3, 4 times, however you want to do it. That's the warm-up. And then the workout today is going to be a 3-minute interval. So we're going to be doing tempo kettlebells, tempo push-ups, and plank bird dogs. So when you do a kettlebell, I forgot my kettlebell, so I'm just going to use something. Okay, when you do a tempo kettlebell, I kind of forgot to grab one, so here we go. You are going to have a straight leg because it's going to be Russian deadlifts. You're going to go down for 1, 2, 3. You're going to hold for 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to come up real fast. Again, down, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, 3, up real fast with those glutes. Okay, so you can alternate each time. You could do a couple on the right and then a couple on the left, but you're going to be, I would try to keep it as even as possible and do 40 seconds of work, and then you're going to take a 20-second break. Then the second minute's going to be tempo push-ups. The same idea, where you're going to go down, 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, 3, push up. And then down, 1, 2, 3, hold. You can go on your knees if you need to, 1, 2, 3, push up. So that, and then you're gonna do that for 40 seconds, 20-second break. And then on minute 3, you're gonna do plank bird dogs. So it's kind of dicey actually, but you're gonna be in a plank, and then you're gonna alternate for 40 seconds. You're gonna alternate, if you can, if your butt's up here, try to get it down like a nice plank. You're gonna try to get your left arm and your right leg. You might need to step your other foot out a little bit for balance. And you're gonna go here and hold for 1 second, down, 1 second, down, 1 second, down. You can also be on your knees. I'm doing that. You can also do kind of a combo. So if being on a plank is way too hard to do the whole 40 seconds, do some plank, then go to your knees, but then go back to the plank. So try to really push yourself on that. And then you're gonna do that again. So you're gonna do 6 rounds of that with the 40-second work, 20-second rest. I think it's 18 minutes total. And it's just gonna be, you'll start again after you do the plank bird dogs, you'll start again with the Russian deadlifts, stiff-legged, the tempo push-ups, and then the plank bird dogs. That's all I gotta say. Have a good day. Happy belated Memorial Day. Thanks to everyone who has served our country or who is serving our country.